Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the battery in this 2014 MINI Cooper Countryman. The battery is located under the hood on the passenger side. It's a little bit harder to get to. For that reason, we recommend you check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to pull off the protective cap for the windshield wiper. Then loosen the fastener for the windshield wiper arm, and you'll need a 15mm wrench for that. And remove the arm. Then remove the hood seal. Now we can loosen and remove the fasteners for the right cowl panel cover using a 10mm wrench. And then remove the cover. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And then remove the cable and set it off to the side. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. We recommend you wrap it in a shop towel to prevent touching any metal. Because we are using a memory saver, the positive battery cable is live and will cause arcing and sparking. Then remove the vent hose from the side of the battery. Next, loosen the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. A socket and extension may be helpful on some models. And remove the battery's hold-down bracket and fastener. Now we can remove the old battery and install the replacement battery. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and tighten the fastener. Then reinstall the vent hose into the side of the battery and check the hose for any cracks or damage. Be sure to install the vent plug into the side of the battery, opposite the vent hose tube. This can be done after the battery has been installed. The vent plug should come with your battery. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals. And cable connections. And then reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Then, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Next, reinstall the right cowl panel cover and tighten the fasteners. Then, reinstall the hood seal. Finally, reinstall the wiper arm. Tighten the fastener. And replace the cap. Some late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.